9447. Don't worry about my voice, I'm a little sick, and we'll keep continuing with the charter selector screen. So let's go. Well, it's done. We can go to codes. Let's just test what we do until now. Play, one player, two players, one player. Okay, select here, select here. Nothing working because I have no codes, right? Let's put some codes in here. I will unlock this the buttons in here. In every one, this I will unlock the button. Button 0, I will rename to select char. Zero one. This here, I am the button. I will rename to select char 02 because we need these buttons working and I don't want to make some mess. I'll unlock this button and I'll rename it to select char 03. I'm not counting like the machine always starts count 0 1 2. I'm counting 1 2 3, no problem because it's just the name. Okay, and this one here, I will unlock the button. I will change the name to char 4. And this another one, button, unlock it, rename to char 5. Okay, we have our set buttons. Let me see, say char 1 2 3 4 5. You can see this in here, the name that you changed to your widget item. Now in the first, I will need to put action to hover on hover. When the mouse is over this character here. At first, let's select all of these images and I will set the visibility to hidden. Okay, yeah, because I don't want to this appear right now. Just test one player. Okay, it's not appearing. It's just the way that I want. On the top of chart or select, I'll put something text here. I'll put this text anchored on the right top, and I'll put this. Let me change the size. I'll change the alignment, and this text block right here, I will bind it to our beaten up game instance. So this text in here, let me see where is the text. Here in the content text bind, I will click on this bind
button here, and I will create a bind. When I create this, by default has the name get text. I will put the name get number of players, and I will cast to our game instance bit and nap game instance object. We will get a game instance, get game instance, and in here we'll get the get players, get number of players. In the return value, we have what we want to be showing on screen on that text. So I can use select in here, and I'll put this here. In this case, option 1, option 2, 0, 1, and 2 is related to our index of number of players. Since we done the number of players to 1, 2, and just for this 2, we just put here in here 1 player, and here 2 players. Let's test if working. Let's play 1 player, 2 player, 1 player. 1 player right here. Now we can test 2 players. Let's play 2 players. I'll click here, 2 players right here. Well, that's it for now. It's working. Remember, the 0 is not used in this case. We can close this. Get number of players is working. Another thing we need to do is a code to show which player we selecting. Since we selected with the mouse, I will put the selection in the visibility in the select button. So we need to make a code to that. I have the select button, and on press it, on released, on hovered, we need a variable to know if we are in the 1 or 2 players. So in the very beginning, we don't need to save here the variable. We can cast to our beaten up game instance. Let me copy the code. Where's the code? Get number of players. I just Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to not type that again. Just because I'm lazy, I'll Ctrl+C. I go to our event grab, Ctrl+V. Player, get number of players. Okay, we need to know what player we are picking. So I will put in the event construct and we will get the number of players. It won't work if the is more greater than 0 to avoid any bug. And I will create a new variable to set the current player select, and I'll put this variable of the type integer and set current player select. Actually, in the we don't need to set this right now, because it needs to start with the player 1, and so I will put one right here with the default value. We don't need to cast it in the beginning, but I will do it. I'll make this function that get the number of player. So I'll select this, right click and collapse to function, and new function. I will rename this to get number of players. Oh, we already had a function with this name. Get number get any player in instance. I open it, and here I want to return. First I will put the return, the execution, and then I will put the number. Now we'll do the code to unhide these selections right here, just for the player 1. And so in the button of select, I'll put action to on hover. I had created that, and let's select this to know what is, and char1 p1 okay. Set visibility in this case. This is the first button, on hovered, and I need another action to on unhovered. I will click Ctrl C, Ctrl V, set visibility, and hide it. Let's test the first button. When I put the mouse over, appears P1. When I get mouse off, P1 is not appearing anymore. But it just may occur when we have the player 1. So we need to do the same code to player 2 if when we have the player 2 to select. In this case, I'll pick that variable that we created before. Where is it? Current player selection. Get current player select. Let's put a branch right here. If equals 1, it will work. And 8, I can use a better than this. I can use a select. Nope. Switch on integer. Switch integer. Where is this switch on integer? Why this switch on integer is not appearing? Okay, whatever. And the one we said that this. We can do it in another way. Let me see if it's more useful. Maybe that is more useful. Okay, in this case we select a base of these options right here. That means this is option 1, and let's pick it right here, and that is the option 2. If I select in the pair 1, we'll do the pair 1, char 1, pair 1, pair 2, char 1, pair 2. To make it more easier, let me create a function. in this function. I'll put option 1 and option 2 outside because I want to select this by another part, 1 and 2, and here the visibility, the player select will be in here. Visible, okay. Player 1, player 2. I will rename this new function to set P1, P2, EMG visibility. I'll pick this right here, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I'll click here. Just for test purpose, I will right click, I'll press X and type key, the book key X. I'll get this variable right here. Actually, I need to set 1 and 2. I make a flop. Print string. Just to know what I'm swatching. Compile, save, and let's test. 1 player, 2 players, 2 players. I will click, I'll put the mouse over, and I didn't finish the code in here. I put visible. I need to put hiding in here. Now I play. 1 player, 2 players, 1 player, P1, when mouse over P1 appears, and mouse over P1 not appears. I'll hit X to switch. I don't know if you can see, but I hit to select 2, and P2 appears and P2 gone. Okay, I switch it just with the mouse in the hovering, so don't worry, it's working the way that I want to do. It works. Now I need to do the same for the another items right here. So let's go. Let's make this box, comment box on hovered SHA-1. My SHA-1 is the character on the left. This is my SHA-2, SHA-3, SHA-4, SHA-5. I will do almost the same. Now just copy this, put in here. Now I will pick this, and on hovered I'll put, I think if I put it in the bottom will make my job easier. Option 1 and option 2 I need to change. And here is selected. I'll go to on hovered, and on unhovered I'll click. Yes, that. In this case, I will pick this char 2, P1, P2, char 2, char 1, char 2, visible, hiding, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's play. One player. It's working. I deleted my test number right here, but it's kind of working. I will do the same. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Oops. Ctrl V. Char 3, char 3, I can drag the connections clicking, holding Ctrl and clicking and drag. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. You can hold Ctrl, click, drag, and you rewrote these nodes. And the same for the char 3. Compile, save. I'll select that, and the hovered is the first code. And we're back to here, and the unhovered the second code. Let's see. Let's do the same again. Char 4. Hovered. Char 1, 2, 3, 4. I changed the name. I put the wrong name. Let me fix that before I get confused. Char 5, P1. Char 5, P2. Okay, let's back. Char 4, P1. Char 4, P1. Char 4, P2. Control C, Control V. Select char4, deselect, go to the unhovered, let's put something in this function because I need to know if the character is selected, and I will do that later. We'll do that later. Let's go to the last unhovered, char4, P1, P2, hovered and unhovered. Like usual, we'll Control C, Control V. And we'll put this, char 5 P1. It works to char 5 P2. It's changed the item that is connected. If you just click here and drag with the same kind of component, it will replace. Compile, save, and in this case we don't doing nothing yet, they select 1 or 2 players, but we will do in the future when we code this selection. Okay, it's working the way that I want to work. This drawing is not the best drawing, it's just for test. It's a kind of selection screen. I'll finish for here, and in the future I will show how to code this selection. It's just the beginning. We can call it, let's create a comment in here and put select hover codes, put some color like green, and when you look to this in another time, you'll know that it's related to select hover code. Is a kind of indentation. I can change the or in the future I can just make this click on the right button and create collapse nodes. It was is good for organization too, but for now I don't let this in this way. Let me open here again, event graph. Okay, it's here. I'll need to use this later. So for now, is that we'll keep it up in another video, another moment. Please join the Discord server and we'll be tuned for the new updates. It will be take a little because there's many things that I add at once.
So that I want to say is
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bora! Hora do show!
Enemy spotted.
And welcome to the Unreal World.